To show contextual menu of the Messages app when assistant menu is on in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down to top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu and then tap select apps to show contextual menu suite, and then tap the gray on off switch next to messages to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. To see the result while assistant menu is on, open Messages app. Next, tap the assistant menu button. You can see that there are some contextual options specific for the messages available, such as set to set a specific message, compose to create a new message, and delete to delete one or more messages. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.